Hello guys, you use smartphone Infinix Note 12. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Look completion, open box. In completion we have protected back cover, documentary, key for SIM slot, adapter for charging with quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED. On the front side 6.7-inch display, power key and volume keys on the right side. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device, we have AMOLED Full HD display on this device. Okay. And open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have CPU Helio J88 or MT6769 by MediaTek and GPU Mali G52. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark, okay. And look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. GTA San Andreas works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.